Condensed glue gels again. You don't want to do it too thick. Don't want to do it too little. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too little is not going to adhere your crystal properly. So you are applying a good amount. It's not going, if you are placing it on the nails and you start feeling it's flooding everywhere around your crystal, this might be a little bit much of condensed glue gels and a no wipe top coat. So in the next time when you do it again, just get a little bit less and do it a couple times. You will able to get hang of it. So top coat on right on top of condensed glue gels, and I'm go ahead and use a Radiance, and then this one is the purple, the Radiance. I am so in love. Oh my goodness, you can see. Can you see the crystal right there? And of course, I'm going to put the glow in the dark crystal on the sides. I am so obsessed with this. Can't stop talking about that. And then this is one of my favorite shape, the Radiance. Adding the smaller side right there. You can mix and match any color. So I'm using a glow in the dark crystal SS10s and S12 right now. And then some beads right there. I mean some frame. So like talking about some beads. As long as you place the crystal really close and tight together, there's only turn out exactly the way you wanted it. I'm gonna add some beads on. If your clients don't want any beads on, you can definitely just cure them and be ready to go. But if the clients want to get like a look of the jewelry and the finished looks, add some beads on to give it a little bit of finish. So usually I put it right in between the crystals and between the frame. All right, one more beads right here. I think it's good. I feel so quiet, babe.
So very focused on the nails.
Including me. I don't know what you think, but I'm obsessed. So when people like, oh, where's your Halloween nails? I had it for 3 sets and I don't care. I love the Halloween's time with the nails as well. I did it. I have it already. So I'm going ahead and using my Aurora gel. So I'm going to make sure that it's go right in the centers for my nails. I mean the designs, unless you are doing it like angle and diagonals is another story. But you want to do is right in the centers. Just make sure you're adjusting it. The best thing about condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat is keep it's really nice, simple. And then if you need to adjusting it before you cure, you can definitely do that those. So I am happy with this. And I check already. Flash cure for 30 seconds. Keep in mind, if you